Imagine turning a mere $100 into a staggering $100,000 per month. Sounds like a misconception, doesn't it? This concept might seem far-fetched, but it's the foundation of financial growth and entrepreneurship. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. It's about understanding the power of investment, strategy, and determination. But what if I told you it's not just a dream, but a reality for many? Entrepreneurship, the path that leads to financial freedom, and the key to unlock that $100K per month. It's not a path for the faint-hearted. It's a journey that demands courage, resilience, and an unwavering belief in your vision. Let's talk about the power of entrepreneurship. Just imagine a world without entrepreneurs. It's like a world without colors, without innovation, without progress. Entrepreneurs are the driving force of our economy. They are the risk-takers, the problem-solvers, the creators. Take for instance the story of Steve Jobs and Apple, or Jeff Bezos and Amazon. These are individuals who started with almost nothing. They didn't have a magic wand, they didn't have an easy path. What they had was a dream, a vision, and the guts to make it a reality. They faced failures, they faced rejections, but they kept going. They kept innovating, kept pushing, and look where it led them. Their stories are a testament to the power of entrepreneurship. It's not about having a lot of money to start with. It's about having a solid idea, a relentless spirit, and the will to make it work. So the question now isn't if it's possible, but how it's possible. It's about finding that entrepreneurial spirit within you and letting it guide your path to financial freedom. The formula isn't complex, it's simple, and it's all about understanding the power of investment and compounding. So what's the magic formula? Let's dive right into it. It starts with $100. Yes, you heard that right, just $100. But this isn't about the amount, it's about what you do with it. It's about investing that money and letting it grow over time. Now, you might be thinking, how can I turn $100 into $100,000 a month? Well, that's where the power of investment and compounding comes into play. Investing is not just about putting your money in a bank and waiting for it to grow. It's about strategically placing your money in places where it can multiply. This could be in stocks, real estate, a small business, or even in yourself through education and skills development. Now, let's move on to the second part of our formula, compounding. Compounding is the process where the returns on your investments start earning returns themselves. It's like a snowball effect. Your money grows, not linearly, but exponentially. Let's take a real-life example. Say you invest your $100 in a venture that gives you a 10% return each month. At the end of the first month, you have $110. You reinvest the entire amount, and at the end of the second month, you have $121. Notice how you earned $11 in the second month compared to $10 in the first? That's compounding at work. Now imagine doing this over and over again, consistently investing and reinvesting your returns. Over time, your $100 will start to grow into thousands, and eventually, with patience and persistence, you could reach that $100,000 a month mark. But here's the thing. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time. It takes patience. It takes a deep understanding of where to invest and when to do it. Remember, the path to $100K isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Consistency, the secret ingredient often overlooked, is the key to this formula. This isn't a flash-in-the-pan strategy, but a steady, relentless drive towards success. Think of it as the heartbeat of your entrepreneurial journey. Steady, rhythmic, and unyielding. It's about making a commitment and sticking to it, day in and day out. And here's the thing, consistency doesn't mean harshness. It means adaptability, resilience, and a willingness to keep learning. Take the story of a humble newspaper boy, who through consistent investments became one of the wealthiest individuals in the world. Or consider the local coffee shop that turned into a global powerhouse through its commitment to consistent quality and service. These examples aren't anomalies, they're the result of consistency. In the world of entrepreneurship, it's not about the high-stakes lottery, it's about the steady grind. After all, even the grandest of trees grow from consistent, nurturing care. It's not about striking gold once, but about consistently hitting silver. So, we've disclosed the formula, but how do we put it to action? Let's roll up our sleeves and dive right into the practical steps you can take to start investing and becoming an entrepreneur with just $100. First things first, you need to identify a product or service that people need. It doesn't have to be a groundbreaking invention. It can be as simple as a household item or a service that makes people's lives easier. Once you've identified your product or service, It's time to start marketing. Use social media platforms, word of mouth, or any other low-cost advertising method to get your product out there. Remember, the goal here is to start small and grow gradually. Now let's talk about investment. With your first $100, you can start investing in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. You don't need a lot of money to start. In fact, starting small allows you to learn the ropes without risking too much. Now here's where the magic happens. As you start making profits from your business or investments, don't spend it all. Instead, reinvest it back into your business or investment portfolio. This is the power of compounding. Your wealth grows not just from your initial investment, but also from the profits you reinvest. And finally, be consistent. Consistency is the key to turning $100 into $100,000 per month. You need to be consistently investing, consistently growing your business, and consistently learning and adapting. Turning $100 into $100,000 per month isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's not about making quick money, it's about building a sustainable income stream that grows over time. Remember, the formula we've discussed isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a tested and proven strategy used by successful entrepreneurs around the world. It's about understanding the power of entrepreneurship, the formula of investment and compounding, and the importance of consistency. Your $100,000 per month journey starts not with a huge leap, but a small, consistent step. So take that step today and start your journey towards financial freedom.